A man lives on an island 4 kilometers offshore, across a channel which has a 3 km/h current when the tide is running. On a dark night, with the tide running, he rows from the mainland dock toward the island, keeping his boat aimed directly north. The island dock is due north of the mainland dock. He rows his boat at a speed of 4 km/h relative to the water. In order to row directly across the island dock, he should have set up his course at an angle west of north. The sign of that angle is. Okay, so the way we need to look at this is, let's first set up the vectors that we're kind of looking at here. So we know that there's going to be a current directly east. Oops. There's going to be a current directly east, and that's at 3 km/h. And he's going to row directly north, and that's at 4 km/h. In fact, let me just redraw this so it is more accurate and to scale. Okay, so if we draw the resultant, it's going to be something like this in this direction. And so that would be the direction he traveled if he were to just go directly north. But we know that in order to counteract this, he essentially needs to go, like they say, at an angle west of north. So if we have our coordinates here, we know that we are basically looking for, he's going to be going in this direction, and west of north is going to be this angle here. So essentially, in order to be completely on track, he just needs a horizontal component right here that's going to counteract our 3 km/h current that is to the east, right? So that means that he basically needs to be traveling in a direction like this, where he's going at 4 km/h to the north and 3 km/h to the east. Okay. Now, what's essentially going to happen, right, is that there's also a 3 km/h current, and so he's going to end up just going completely straight. So if we want to find this angle of the sine of that angle in which he must take in order to travel in a straight line, we're just going to do opposite over adjacent, right? Because sine theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So opposite of that angle, we have 3, and adjacent to that angle, we have 4. So that's all for this one. I hope that helps. Thank you. Bye.